In this segment, we're going to demonstrate how you put together a meat grinder. And we use meat grinders to grind a variety of things, meat and veg and so on. And it's important that we understand how it works. So this is the motor. With the motor, we now have a housing or a T, and the housing hooks onto the grinder as such. This is what is known as the pan or the plate. This is what is known as the plunger, to push the product down. Okay? And in turn, then we have what is called a worm. And the worm hooks on to the motor through the housing, such as that. Now, we have what is known as a knife, and this is what actually does the cutting. It has a flat side and it has a round side. The round side goes back towards the motor so that the meat comes around it and then gets cut by the blade, and you'll see why here in just a second. So the flat side goes out. Now we're going to grab our plate, which has various size holes as we go, starting with large and then working our way to small. Now, in the bottom, there's a little groove, and there's a groove right here in the bottom of the housing. The plate sits on the worm, and you line up the plate with the knob. Then you take what is known as the collar, and the collar gets screwed on right like such. Okay, then to make sure it's working, I can see the worm working, and the thing that's good is the knife is moving inside, but the plate is stationary, and that's what you're looking for. Now, if I was going to grind and then fill something, I would take the fill tube, I would take the collar off, put this through the collar, and put the collar right back on. And then we would take our hog casing or our lamb casings or intestines, if you will. They go onto the fill tube, and then we turn on the motor, and as it's going, it's extruding it out through the fill tube into the intestine, and as it's coming, we're going to pull it off and then get it ready to use and to put into sections or links. Okay. And I'd say if there's any questions, let me know, but that's it.